Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up XAMPP on your computer. First, head to Apache Friends and download XAMPP based on your computer. Either you're using a Windows, a Linux or a Mac. So choose based on your PC and then download. Now install after downloading. Now select the components you want to install. Now click on next. And then set a folder you want to install XAMPP. So install it wherever you want. So let me just create a new folder in one of my drives. So let's call this XAMPP, and this is the folder we are installing it. Now click on next, select the language, next. It's now installing. Give it some time and everything will be good to go. Now start the program after installing. Welcome to XAMPP control panel. Now start Apache and MySQL. So let's confirm if this is actually working properly or we need to do some adjustments. Start and start MySQL as well. Allow access. Now your antivirus may interfere with this, so you can disable your antivirus for just this. Open your web browser, preferably Google Chrome. Now you should be able to test your local server is working by going to http localhost / and then hit enter. Now if it opens up like this, then your local server is running properly. And if it doesn't open up like this, then you can follow up the installation process. Maybe you did something wrong. Now you have a functioning XAMPP server on your computer. I will upload more videos on how to run a website on XAMPP, so do check the video description. And also join our Telegram channel with the link in the video description. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.